A senior official of Odisha claimed that the recent severe cyclonic storm Dana and the rain accompanying it are likely to have damaged standing crops in 1.75 lakh acre of land and submerge another 2.80 lakh acre in Odisha, citing preliminary estimations. According to a report by an agency, the Odisha state government has directed a joint assessment of crop loss due to the cyclone by officials of the Agriculture and Revenue departments. On an ex-post of Principal Secretary of Agriculture and Farmer Empowerment, Arabinda Padhi, the authorities have directed field officials of Krushi Bibhag to assess and enumerate the crop loss, more than 33% and above, jointly with Revenue Department colleagues in a squad approach under supervision of district collectors. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, during a review meeting held yesterday night, said the final estimate of the loss in the agricultural sector would be known from the detailed report, on the basis of which the government would decide on compensation for farmers. He said that around 8 lakh people were moved to cyclone shelters, and many of them were allowed to return home as the weather improved. Meanwhile, about 22.42 lakh houses faced power disruption due to the cyclone. Of them, power supply to 14.8 lakh houses were restored by yesterday's evening, and the remaining will be done by today.